I want you to get excited because you're about to see a proven, predictable way to create unlimited income streams online in as little as 30 minutes per day without ever having to create products, know anything techie, handle customer service, or even have a website. And you'll be able to create unlimited wealth, an abundance of time to do what you love, and true freedom doing something as simple as sending a single email per day. Now, I know it may sound crazy, but I've been job-free and living the life that I decide now for nearly 2 decades. And all I do is wake up happy, send a simple email, then go and enjoy my life doing what I love with those that I love the most, while income streams come in all day long from multiple different income streams. Hey, my name is Nick, and I'm super happy to introduce you to the 30-minute workday. Now, before you jump to conclusions, this is not some cheesy biz op, has nothing to do with MLM or anything else that you'd be embarrassed if anybody knew you were doing. In fact, those types of businesses are a big reason why most are failing to make any money online, because nearly nobody wants to be involved in those, and even fewer are still in those same businesses for more than 30 to 60 days. So even if you can start creating income that way, it's gone before you can even enjoy it. This isn't some secret guru product or software that ends up teaching you nothing, being outdated by the end of the month, or even worse, being total BS just spent to steal your hard-earned money and force you into pricey upsells. This isn't a system that's going to be gone in 90 days either. In fact, this is my actual online business, the same online business that's been paying me from multiple income streams every single day for just sending an email. The same online business that's based on principles, not hype, not lies, not tricks or manipulation. And I actually made sure of this because I want to have something that will be here to serve my family for generations. And I'm giving it all to you today. And I'll get to why I'm giving it to you in a minute. But first, here's how I can do that. Now, I have a developer that I'm lucky enough to know who created a special type of site for me that allows me to build my business like I do every single day. And when I do something to build my income, it happens for you too. Only you get the commissions. It doesn't matter if 100 people are inside of my special membership site or 100,000. When I do something to create more income, it happens for everybody. So why did I want to do this? Because early on, I got stuck in the guru trap. They made me think that it was hard. And I bought a bunch of garbage and joined a bunch of businesses until I was broke, $50,000 in debt, and even out of a job when I got let go 3 weeks before Christmas. Merry Christmas to me, right? With my back against the wall, I simplified things. I had to because I was broke. But here's what happened. When I did just 3 simple things that took me less than 30 minutes per day and stopped paying attention to all the guru cries to buy this and buy that, I made my first $101,000 online over the next 12 months. Not only was it the first real money that I'd made online, it was almost 3 times more than I was making at my job that let me go. Now, that was almost 2 decades ago, and I've never looked back. But nearly 2 decades later, I started noticing people having the same problems, getting caught in the same guru trap of this is hard, so you need my product or my business to help you. The truth is, you don't. All you need to do is wake up, send an email, let an automated system do all of the techie stuff and selling for you, and then just go enjoy the income from multiple streams of income while you're out living the life that you choose. So here's what I'm going to give you today, a completely done-for-you business where you just have to wake up, send a quick email, then go do what you want with your day while all of the income streams pour into your bank. And again, how do I know this works? It's literally my business. Only because of that awesome developer, I can build your business at the same time while you get the income. So if it's as easy as just waking up and sending an email, why aren't more people having massive success online? There are actually 4 main problems, and I've solved all of them for you inside of the 30-minute workday. Problem number 1, what most people trying to make money with early on are junk biz ops that have no real product or value, crappy affiliate products that aren't meant to teach you anything, only give you a glimpse of the latest secret so they can make you buy the pricey upsell, and MLM businesses that most want nothing to do with. And listen, I get it. I did the same thing for a long time. But what you really want is something real, something legitimate that you won't be embarrassed by, something that can produce income for you right now and also be a long-term income stream that pays you for years and years. So what's the solution? What you're about to get access to for free inside of the 30-minute workday, what you'll soon be earning long-term income from, are what I call the magic product types that pay and pay and pay whether you work or not, because they're real and they're valuable and your customers will use them for years. This is why my income has been so stable and predictable for nearly 20 years, because my customers stay with me for years at a time. I have customers that have been paying me for the same products and services for over 10 years. Now, doesn't that sound way better than promoting endless biz apps that are gone in 90 days, trying to build an MLM app when more people are quitting than joining, or losing credibility with your list by offering junk affiliate products? It is way better, and you're going to love the long-term, stable income that the magic products provide. Problem number 2 is this. Most likely you have no list or a very small one, and you have no idea how to build one. Listen, you absolutely need a list to create wealth online. Your list pretty much is your business online. If you don't have one or you don't know how to build one, you're stuck. The 30-minute workday solution, you'll be given access to my secret traffic experts that are going to send you all of their traffic at the push of a button. Now imagine your list being built by a skilled professional marketer at the push of a button, and you don't have to know anything about marketing. You don't have to waste money trying to figure out paid ads. You don't have to deal with social media rules that are changing every single day. You barely have to lift a finger. You'll just push the traffic button and new traffic and leads are going to rush to your site. Now, problem number 3, it's great to have a list and even better to have amazing products to offer them. But right now, you're probably not a copywriter and your emails are, let's just say, not very compelling. At the 30-minute workday, we've got you covered there too. You'll receive professionally written, high-converting emails to send to your growing list. Plus, every single morning, you'll wake up to a brand new email to send. All you have to do is copy the email, paste it into your mailer, and hit send. Now, are you starting to see how simple this can be when you do it the 30-minute workday way? Now, problem number 4, the last problem you may already be thinking about in the back of your head right now. With a membership site like this that provides everything you need, the cost must be way too high. But remember, I was broke, in debt, and jobless when I started developing my 30-minute workday. Back then, it had to be dirt cheap because I basically had no money. And the good thing for you, even to this day, it's still super cheap to run my entire business. You're going to be able to set up all of your income streams, have all of your websites and hard techie stuff done for you, have professionally written emails done for you, plus have the 30-minute workday follow-up machine creating sales for you 24/7, all for about $2 per day. Now, that's less than the coffee or energy drinks that most people buy on a daily basis. But don't let the fact that it will cost you only pennies per day to run your entire business make you think that the income you can generate is not massive. These same types of income streams have not only been paying me for nearly 20 years, but have allowed me to generate as much as $93,518 in a single month. Now, it's crazy, but once you're inside of the free membership site, you'll see why these income streams can pay you so much. And the best part, it's ongoing income that continues to pay you month after month after month. Even if you get too lazy to copy, paste, and send your daily email, because I'm still going to be sending mine. And remember, everything I do in my business gets done in yours too, only you get the income. But I'm not only going to give you a done-for-you business. I'm going to give you lifetime access to my entire 30-minute workday formula and ongoing training, because my long-term goal is not just to give you a done-for-you business that makes you money right now. While goal number 1 is to give you right now income so you can start putting income into your pockets in as little as 48 hours, my real long-term goal is to give you the skill and the ability to create as many income streams online as you desire around any interest or passion you can think of for the rest of your life. So as soon as you create your free membership to the 30-minute workday, you not only get access to a completely done-for-you business, but you get free lifetime access to phase 2 as well. In phase 2, you're going to learn how to create unlimited income streams in just minutes per day, built around anything that you love, all that you can run with a single email per day. But I didn't want to stop there either. Because remember, this is my generational wealth project for my family and for you. In the last few years, I've been learning what really separates the ultra wealthy from everybody else in the world. I'm talking about the wealthiest 1% of people in the world. So I'm also going to give you lifetime free access to phase 3, which is going to show you how to keep your money, how to grow your money, and how to multiply your money like the world's top 1% do. This is real generational wealth creation that most people are never taught, and it's all free to you for life. So as you can see, this is much more than a done-for-you business that can start dropping commissions into your bank as soon as tomorrow for doing nothing more than pushing a traffic button, sending an email that's pre-written for you to a list that's getting built for you by a professional marketer. The 30-minute Workday free membership site will allow you to make money right now before you even know what you're doing, then grow your money into unlimited income streams, and then multiply that money on demand every single day with ease, and you get lifetime access to all of it right now for free. Listen, I don't know what brought you here, but I know why I am here: to serve you, to free you, to allow you to pursue the God-given gifts and passions that are sitting in your heart right now. God gave me this gift to be able to help people, and it's part of my life's purpose to help set you free, one that I take very seriously. So I'm going to continue to do everything that I possibly can to make this as simple as possible for you. So go ahead right now, create your free membership, and even if you don't want to send an email per day and enjoy the same incredible time, money, and freedom that I have over the last 2 decades, everything inside of the membership site will be free to you for life. My promise to you is that the value that's inside is 1,000 times more than anything you've ever paid for, even though it's 100% free. Hey, thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you create that right now income that you came here for, to help you gain the skill to create and multiply money for the rest of your life, and freeing you to live a life of purpose, fun, adventure, and freedom. So go ahead right now, create your free lifetime account, and you could be seeing commissions in as little as the next 48 hours. Let me be the first to welcome you to the 30-minute Workday. I'll see you on the inside in about 30 seconds.